to read an individual book for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and read, and then I'll do the next thing. Okay guys, so it's so blurry right now, but I just finished reading for 15 minutes this drama book, and I got to page 127, but now it says to complete like a front and back of a reading assignment. So yeah,